Hi, and welcome to Chapter 13. This is the practice exercise 4, which is the temp calculator, or temperature calculator. Basically, if you enter in something in Celsius, it will calculate it and bring it to Fahrenheit, okay? So you got your enter. When you hit the button, you have this will pop up and stop, remain hidden. And then you also have a quit button, okay? Now, you got this main window, and that is equal to tkenter.tk. So all that's doing is making the window, which is like this whole thing around. You won't have any of these buttons in here or any of these fields yet. All you'd have is like a box with the minimize, maximize, and exit. And then we gotta create our 3 frames. So frames are kind of like boxes inside this main box. So we have our top frame, which is going to be this frame right here. And that's going to be used for entering, so it's enter frame. Then we have our calc frame, which is this middle one. And then we have our button frame, which is going to have the 2 buttons, okay? And that's inside the self main window. So that's why you have this parentheses self main window. All right, and then we got our label 1. So that is for the enter box. So we got enter right here for label 1. So it's inside the enter frame because it's the top one, enter frame where you enter stuff in. And then text is what's appearing right here, and that's enter. And then we gotta create the input field. So that's using the entry little extra function thing that comes with the tk enter. And then this is inside the enter frame, and the width is just how wide you want it to be, where you can enter. And when you use a special entry method, that's what makes this box able to happen. And then we're packing both the label and the input side by side on the left. So the enter is first, so it's in the left, the label 1, and then the input is right next to it to the left, but it's second, so it's to the right of enter, okay? And then we got the string var. So the var answer is the string var. We're not having this complete yet because if we hit the button, then it will appear. Now this result text, this is going to be shown right away. This is this stuff right here. The Fahrenheit value is, the Fahrenheit value is. And this is inside the calc frame, so the calculate frame, okay? Right here, calculate frame. All right. And then we got the hidden results right here. So like I said, oh, it's already going. So there's nothing here, so it's hidden right now, okay? So, but the variable is this var answer, which is over here, okay? But we haven't set anything to that yet. We haven't clicked the button and had this answer, this calc function start, so it's blank, so that's why there's nothing there. All right. And then we're just packing them both on the left side of each other. Now, the reason why they're not to the left of the top stuff right here is because they're on the calc frame. So they're on their own little mini box that's like right around here. So first we have the text, and then we have the invisible hidden stuff right now. Okay. And now we have the button. So this is the calc button. What we do is we have the button extra variable, just like this one is the button for the quit. The text is calculate Fahrenheit. So we got calculate Fahrenheit, and then the command is this calc Fahrenheit, and that's right here. So if you press it, it's going to start this calc Fahrenheit thing. And then for the quit button, same thing, saying quit, and then it's just going to have this function that's destroy. So this destroy is automatically in there. You don't need to have a little method or whatever to start it. It's automatically there. All right. And then what we're doing is we're packing the calc button and the quit button. Okay. And then lastly, what we're doing is we're packing all the frames and then starting the main loop so that it keeps on showing up. Otherwise, if you didn't have the main, it would just pop up and then go away. And then lastly, we have this method, which is this function inside the class. So right now we're just getting it and converting it. So we're grabbing the input. Oops. So we're grabbing this input right here and we're converting it to a float. Okay. And then what we're doing is this answer is just calculating, doing the special function to convert. So this is like the math times 1.8 times Celsius plus 32 to get Fahrenheit. So we got the answer, and then we got the far answer, which is up here, Fahrenheit answer. The text variable is, now we're setting it to answer. So since there is something here now, since there's something here, it will pop up when the text variable will pop up since there's something to it now. So, oh, it's already running. So when I do 20.23, 69 degrees, or yeah, about 69 degrees, okay? So yeah, that's basically it. Oh, and then lastly, we gotta make sure to call it. We gotta do that, otherwise it wouldn't work. So yeah, that's it. I hope this makes sense. Let me know if there's any questions. There's other videos too. On previous ones, I started at chapter 8 for intro to Python, or starting out with Python. And then we're going up to 13, and we're skipping 12. But yeah, thanks. So like it if you are interested to see more.